On today's episode of This Guy, we're eating bananas and mayonnaise. Let's get this over with.
For the mayo, you can use anything.
Why couldn't it have been yogurt? Why couldn't it have been whipped cream? I know I'm like the whitest person on the planet, but I don't like mayonnaise this much.
Mayonnaise.
Whoa. In order to see if there is a possible variation that is actually good, I have Miracle Whip for the health conscious and a very nice ripe plantain. Oh, yeah. This is actually better. This is better than the original, but it's still, again,
It's not good.
for all you vegans out there, didn't forget about you. However, you do get the unripe plantain, which I am pretty sure you're never supposed to eat. Looks like I just gave this to my dog. Whatever. It's not like it's going to taste any better. Honestly, this is the least offensive. It has actually still some texture. That being said, it's gross. If you have a unripe plantain and you're just so hungry, dip it in some veganese. It's the best of the three. Good luck to you all.